Hi Internet friends, it's Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions, bringing you a bonus tip today on louvered, basically on windows. I did a video, louvered panels at the top of a railing 3 weeks ago, and I used a library object to create that louver. And YouTube user EricOn commented that you could use a louvered window to create this louver situation in your library. And so I wanted to show you this real quick. This is something new I learned, and again, thanks to EricOn for pointing this out. I've set up a window as louvered, set 4-inch louvers. I have removed casing, removed the lintel, removed the sill, and removed the frame. So what I was going on was adding this to the library using these tools down here. Either add to library or add to library as just adds another window to the library, this custom window. What Eric was saying was convert to symbol. Well, in plan view, I went to tools, symbol, and convert to symbol is grayed out. You have to be in a three-dimensional view, or not three-dimensional, a camera view, whether that's 3D or I believe an elevation might do this as well. So I'm going to select the window and go to Tools, Symbol, and you can convert to symbol right there from the camera view, from a view. So notice you can convert the entire scene or just the selected objects. And in this case, I want to select only the selected, click on only the selected objects. I can click OK once I've figured out whether this is millwork, interior fixture, etc. And it drops this library object right in your library. This is an interior fixture. And from here, you can see that louvered fixture right there. That's a 3D object. Cool tip. The more you know, I guess. Here I learned something new today. So I hope this is helpful. Thanks so much for watching. Click like and subscribe down there, and be watching for more videos to come. Take care.